At Alterra Pure, less is more, so we keep it simple. We believe that only when you use the best ingredients will you create the best experience. So here's our recipe for your very best night's sleep. We start with ultra-premium organic cotton, and our cool, crisp percale weave creates the ultimate freeing feeling while you sleep. Next, when it comes to the myth around thread count, we know that more does not equal better. So we've crafted our sheets to a perfect 310 heirloom-quality weave that only gets better with time. Finally, we keep it real by showing you everything that goes into our product. No secrets, no surprises, just radical transparency. The pure and simple comfort that comes with peace of mind. At Alterra Pure, we are committed to doing our best so we can create the best. Rest assured. For more information on our recipe for the best sleep of your life, visit alterrapure.com.